Developing effective argumentation skills is an essential part of effective communication. Whether you are engaging in a debate, writing an essay, or simply discussing an issue with friends, having the ability to construct and deconstruct arguments can significantly enhance your persuasive capabilities. This skill involves not just stating your opinions but supporting them with solid evidence and logical reasoning. One of the key techniques for constructing a compelling argument is to start with a clear thesis statement. This statement should encapsulate your main point in a concise manner. Building your argument involves presenting a series of claims that logically support this thesis. Each claim should be backed up with evidence, which can include facts, statistics, expert opinions, and real-world examples. By providing this supporting material, you increase your argument's credibility and make it more persuasive to your audience. In addition to constructing arguments, it is equally vital to learn how to deconstruct them effectively. This process involves critically analyzing the arguments presented by others. Begin by identifying the claims and the evidence used to support those claims. Ask yourself whether the evidence is strong and relevant. Look for any logical fallacies, such as hasty generalizations or slippery slopes, that may undermine the argument. By honing your analytical skills, you can better understand opposing viewpoints, allowing you to refute them with a well-reasoned response. Moreover, effective use of rhetorical strategies can enhance your argumentation. Rhetoric is the art of persuasion, and understanding how to employ pathos, logos, and ethos can elevate your discussions. Pathos appeals to the audience's emotions, logos relies on logical reasoning and evidence, and ethos builds your credibility as a speaker. Balancing these elements can make your argument not only more convincing but also more relatable to your audience. Finally, practice is essential for developing effective argumentation skills. Engage in discussions, join debate clubs, or participate in online forums. These activities provide opportunities to refine your ability to formulate and articulate arguments. Analyzing diverse perspectives broadens your understanding and enhances your skills in both constructing and deconstructing arguments. The more you practice, the more proficient you will become at presenting your viewpoints in a persuasive and logical manner. In summary, developing effective argumentation skills entails mastering the construction and deconstruction of arguments. By employing clear thesis statements, supporting evidence, critical analysis, rhetorical strategies, and consistent practice, you will become a more persuasive communicator. This invaluable skill will not only enhance your personal interactions but will also empower you in professional and academic settings. Embrace the art of argumentation, and watch your confidence and effectiveness soar.